Do you know most men over 40 are walking around with a heart that's working harder than it should, and they don't even know it? If you've noticed you get winded faster than you used to, your energy crashes by mid-afternoon, or your chest feels heavier after basic activity, your heart is trying to tell you something. And here's what most people get completely wrong. You don't need to run marathons to protect your heart. You don't need expensive gym equipment. You don't even need an hour a day. You need 3 specific exercises, done daily, done consistently. One of them you can do without even leaving your living room. And the third one, the one I'll share at the end, is the simplest exercise on this list. But research consistently shows it may be the most powerful thing a man over 40 can do for his heart. Stay with me. Exercise number 1, brisk walking. Not a casual stroll, not a slow wander around the block. Brisk walking, where you're moving with purpose and your breathing is slightly elevated. Here's why this matters so much. Your heart is a muscle, and like every muscle in your body, it needs to be challenged to stay strong. When you walk briskly for just 20 to 30 minutes, your heart rate increases, blood pumps more efficiently, and your arteries stay more flexible over time. Flexible arteries mean lower blood pressure. Lower blood pressure means less strain on your heart every single day. The target is simple. Aim for a pace where you can still hold a conversation, but you wouldn't want to sing. That's the zone. That's where your heart is working and adapting. Do this every day, not 3 times a week, every day. The consistency is what changes your cardiovascular system over time. Now, this next exercise is where most men over 40 completely underestimate what it can do for their heart. Exercise number 2. Body weight squats. Yes, squats are a heart exercise. Most people think of squats as a leg exercise, and they are. But here's what they miss. Your legs contain the largest muscle groups in your entire body. When those muscles work hard, your heart has to respond. Body weight squats with no added weight, done in sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, elevate your heart rate significantly. They improve circulation throughout the entire lower body, and they train your cardiovascular system to handle load and recover quickly. There's one mistake you need to avoid here, and I'll explain it in just a second. But first, the form. Feet shoulder-width apart, lower down like you're sitting into a chair. Keep your chest up, drive back up through your heels. That's it. No equipment needed, no gym required. Now the mistake, going too fast. Men over 40 often rush through squats trying to get them done. That actually reduces the cardiovascular benefit. Slow and controlled keeps your heart working longer and builds more strength in the process. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 every morning, done in under 7 minutes. Your heart and your legs will both respond. But this last exercise is the one that surprises most men because it looks almost too simple to matter. Exercise number 3. Deep breathing with diaphragm training. Stay with me on this one because this is not what you think. Deep diaphragmatic breathing, done intentionally and daily, directly strengthens the relationship between your lungs and your heart. Here's the science in plain language. When you breathe shallow, which most men do all day without realizing, your heart works harder to compensate for reduced oxygen efficiency. When you train yourself to breathe deeply and fully, oxygen delivery improves. Your resting heart rate drops. Your nervous system shifts out of stress mode, and your heart gets a genuine daily recovery window. Here's how to do it. Sit upright or lie flat. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts. Your belly should rise, not your chest. Hold for 2 counts. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Do that for 5 minutes every day. That's it. 5 minutes, sitting still, and your cardiovascular system responds like you've given it a proper workout. This is the habit that takes the least effort and delivers the most recovery, especially for men over 40 whose nervous systems are constantly running in overdrive. So here's your daily prescription. A 20-minute brisk walk, 3 sets of bodyweight squats, 5 minutes of deep breathing. Total time? Under 35 minutes. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Your heart has been working for you every single minute of your life without stopping. These 3 exercises are how you work back for it. Start today. Do it tomorrow. Do it every single day. Give it 30 days and notice how your energy shifts, how your breathing feels easier, and how your body starts to feel more alive again. Because it will. If this was helpful, subscribe for more simple fitness and health routines built specifically for men over 40 and 50. New videos every week. Real advice, no fluff. See you in the next one.